everybody, Frank Rigo here with the Dan News Weekly Report. My co-anchor Sam and my friend Mike down there. Day to feed the seagulls. As you see, there's a bunch of them hanging around here. Weather report, Matoka, chilly. Wind still blowing. Oh, speaking of chilly, bad earthquake down there, 8.0 on the Richter scale. That's bad, that's not good. Oh, it's not as bad as Haiti. Haiti was on 7.0, but of course it was in the middle of the city. That does make a difference. Along the Chilean coast, there's a lot of agriculture, coffee beans. Plenty of that. Seagulls are having a blast. Well, speaking of blast, looks like Benjamin Netanyahu's got his hands full over in Israel because Abu Dhabi job is going to double up on their centrifuges. That guy wants war bad, and he'll probably find it. That's a shame. But if that's how it's got to be, then that's how it's got to be. Well, Sam wants to see what's going on. I can't take much of this wind. As you can see, the big log washed over. I didn't get to film it. That one there looks like we're going to have to cut loose with a chainsaw. We'll film that one. Beautiful day, even though it is cold. Can always get warm. A lot of people can't do that. That's a blessing right there. You don't know when you're warm unless you've been cold. Don't know if you're full unless you've been hungry. It's all a lesson, people. All a test. What is your score going to be? Alright folks, well that's about it for me. I can't stand this cold anymore. So, until next time, y'all be on your best behavior. And I am over.